Last week, there was a cut here. Now it is almost gone. How did your body fix itself? Who did the repair work? Look at these two changes. One becomes smaller, one becomes bigger. Why are they behaving differently? You were much smaller before. Now you are taller. How did your body become bigger? Did the old cells simply stretch? Look closely at the tissue. It is made of many cells. If your body grows bigger, what do you think happens to these cells? Time to predict. Which idea sounds correct? Do cells grow bigger? Or are new cells made? Imagine one cell. What do you think it can do? Can one cell become two? Let's look for clues. Here is our first clue. Something inside the cell is changing. The center part is preparing. Preparing for what? Now the cell is dividing. It is slowly separating. What do you think will happen next? Look carefully. One cell has become two. Now there are more cells than before. Could this explain growth? The process continues. More and more cells appear. This helps living things grow. But what if this never stops? This process is called cell division. One cell forms two new cells. Cell division helps growth. It also helps repair damaged parts. Cell division has important jobs. It helps wounds heal. It helps your body grow. Without it, life would be very difficult. Usually, cells divide in a controlled way. But sometimes control is lost. Cells keep dividing again and again. A crowded mass can form. When cells divide without control, a tumor may form. Some tumors can become cancer. That is why cell control is so important. Let's see how quickly numbers can grow. Start with one paper circle. Then double it again and again. What do you notice? Both situations involve cell division. One helps the body, one harms the body. What makes the difference?
Today we solved an important mystery. Cell division helps life continue, but it must stay under control. What do you think would happen if cells never stopped dividing?